Welcome to this Python video. We are going to obtain all the cookies for a certain website. To start, we're going to create our new Python file that's going to be called cookies.py. And for the beginning, we will need two libraries. So I will import them. The first one which will be http.cookiejar, and the second one will be urllib. To begin, we are going to define our function that is going to be called obtainCookies. We will need a variable to define our website that is going to be Wikipedia as an example. We will need another variable called cookiejar. With this cookiejar function, and also a URL opener. Okay, now we are going to print all the cookies, so we will need a for cycle for cookie in CookieJar, print cookie name and the values, so cookie.value. We will save this Python file, and finally we will call this function and click the right button, run Python file in terminal, and see what happened. Here we can see that we obtain the 3 cookies that this website is using. In order to check this, we can go to our Google Chrome, click on inspect, go to network, reload our website, and see what cookies is our website using, and we can see that matches with our Python code. Okay, so this is all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next.